All right, let's start. Write date and day at the top, write chapter, poem's name and unit number, and start doing the question answers. Answer the questions about this line from the poem. Number one is, if first they would not play it. ये आपकी बुक में से है, आप अपनी बुक में से भी देख सकते हैं. पार्ट ए होगा, हु इज़ दे. आंसर इज, इन दिस पोइम दे आर चिल्ड्रन. Part B is, what might happen to them if they had not prayed? Question mark. Answer is, if the children had not prayed at the first before sleeping at night, then they would get afraid of the phantoms that play at night. Part C is, which word or phrase in the last verse reminds us of these things? The phrase that reminds us of these things is as follows. I've shadowed that crept while they soundly slept, and phantoms they played if they would not prayed. That's it for today. Please do it with very neat handwriting. Write date and day at the top and draw margin lines as well. Thank you.